they have Wi-Fi? Oh, slay. What are you using?
PLDT.
Is it fast?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
My globe's been acting up.
That's what I heard. That's why I went with PLDT.
Okay. I thought it would be okay since I'm living alone, but I've been having issues. Kuya. That's so slow. Sleepy. Ay, meron na. Bilis. Show mo. Kuya is going to give us a condo tour. As requested by my ate Luan. And I'm still sick. Ugh. I sound so good. This is my cameraman. Fancy yourself. Ang hirap naman kausap naman ito. Isang brain cell naman. How do I look? Do I look sick? No.
No.
I don't look sick.
You don't. You look very cheerful.
I do?
Yes.
That's good. Thank you. So you make it busy. I'm recording na. Oh, si neighbor. Yung neighbors mo. Even stay. Okay. Wow.
Le Mans by Jean-Paul Gaultier.
Gaultier.
I opened it in 2009, so now it only lasts 10 minutes. Again?
Kuya's working station. Uy, magti-TV. Are you gonna buy yourself a TV?
No.
No?
That came with a,
May cable eh.
see, wait.
HDMI na lang. A gray sofa. May bedroom. May partition. Kuya, ang ganda ng place mo.
Silhouette.
Ha?
Silhouette.
Wow, ang cute naman ng tissue holder naman ng kuya na yan. Oh, wow. Kuya, ang ganda. Wait, the other HDMI is on here.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I'm just kind of confused. Stockholm.
Wow, wow, so nice. Kuya's bathroom. Can I enter?
Yeah.
Do you have heater?
Yeah.
You have everything plugged in.
A toothbrush and a shaver. Yeah.
Ganyan talaga yun.
Yeah.
Oh my God, if I'm your Filipino mom, tanggalin mo lahat yung mga nakasaksak kung lalabas ka. Okay, can we see the room? Ayan, sige, tanggalin mo. Wait! How many? Is that a laptop?
Yeah, work.
Eto.
And personal.
Eto.
And
Work.
my MacBook. Yeah.
Grabe.
So, when I stayed at the Airbnb, they had a washer, but they didn't have a dryer.
Okay, your clothes were wet.
So I was like, I don't have a place to hang them. So I was like, I'll just put them
Oh my God! Saan mo nalagay mo na sa dryer?
Yeah, I should have done that, but I've been like busy. I was like, yeah, by the time I was like, I finally have a dryer, it's like, I have to do a lot of other things. So I
Okay.
just left them on my bed.
No ba yan? Isushoot niya lang.
Never
Is this
stains.
automatic or you can just... Okay.
Yeah, not automatic. Normally sleep in the twin.
What the f***? Grabe. Ilan ilong mo? Can I kalikot this?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Wait.
Let me turn on AC.
Can I patong my legs
Yeah,
here?
go ahead.
What the freak? Don't even...
Is it? Oh, that's Zerjov's Nexus.
Okay, wait. Eto muna. Tom Ford. I like this. It smells like my old perfume.
Oh.
So nice. Can I move this? Okay. This. Oh wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What? 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay.
And then the other one.
12. Top 5 or 6. Pwede pa siyang umatras, umabante. Okay. Ooh, pulbo?
Yeah, that's my most expensive one. I think $440.
Ano?
$440.
Ha? 20K?
Around, yeah. Love the smell.
How long have you been using this?
I mean, I bought that in December, but January.
Oh wait. Is this one of the from your haul?
Yeah.
Frick.
Yung
What
front
are you using
is,
right now?
Jean Paul Gaultier.
Ayaw pala. Ay, ayoko, may hilo ako dito. Ayoko, number 12 ka sa akin. I don't like cherry. But the dry down is nice.
Yeah, the dry down's amazing.
Ayoko. wait, this is giving Burberry.
It is. It's Burberry London, reformulated.
Oh. Wait, can I spritz it here?
Yeah,
You sure?
yeah.
Di ko maamoy.
I think your nose is still nose blind from the cherry.
Pero it's somewhat spicy.
Yes, spicy.
London? Din.
That's what Christmas smells like in America.
Yeah. Parang pine cone.
Yeah, pine
Is that
cone.
what you said?
Yeah, well, pine trees. Yeah.
Yeah, it's giving Baguio. This is 12. 11. I'm not gonna. Guerlain?
Yeah.
You bought Guerlain?
Yeah, it was
When was this?
part of the haul. It was $40. So ano yan, 2,000?
Oh, $40.
Yeah.
Bakit yung sa girls ang mahal? Or mahal yung sa Pinas?
Pinas talaga mahal.
Kuya, can I hingi tissue?
Mm.
Guys, ang ganda na place si Kuya Yoyo. Ate Luan, ang ganda na place si Kuya Yoyo. The amount of phones and laptops in this place. At saka pabango. Pag magnanakaw kayo dito, tuturo ko saan nakalagay.
Hair removal.
Can you do that again? Oh my God! Ala, patingin niya ako na itong nangyari. Ala, Kuya, ituloy mo na. Oh my gosh. Ituloy mo na, Kuya! Hindi na pantay. Parang baliw kasi. I love Guerlain.
Yeah, Guerlain. Love it.
Mahal sa Pilipinas.
Oh.
Which store did you get it from?
Fragrance. No, for that one it was Amazon. It was cheaper on Amazon.
Hindi ako marunong gumamit ng Amazon.
Yeah.
Safe number 4. YSL. What's the name of this one, Kuya?
Oh, that's myself. EDP, not the
Myself.
Le Parfum.
Puro dry down scents lang yung inaamoy ko kasi ayoko sayangin. And ayoko mamatay dito sa kwarto ni Kuya Yoyo. May sakit na nga ako eh. 8. But she didn't eat. Wait, what?
That's Altair by Parfums de Marly.
Atay. Parfums de Marly?
Yeah. Man, I can't remember.
Parfums de Marly. Anong pangalan?
Altair.
Altair?
Yeah.
Altair? Am
Yeah.
I saying it right? Altair. Wait, I can't. Ito, hindi ko
No.
maamoy si Tom Ford.
So you want the left hand?
Nagamit na ba to?
First
Hindi pa.
spray, go Chi.
Hala! Kuya, magkano to? Are you sure?
300 something? My dad's gift to me.
Hala! Ah, sige. Wait, layo ka. Oh. Wait, hindi ko magets yung amoy niya. Can you describe it to me?
Di ko magets.
Hindi ko ako.
Sweet, marshmallowy, vanilla.
Kasi, sweet siya pero lalaki siya ganun.
Gourmands, yeah.
Oh, that's right. Pero merong yung amoy niya, if I'm gonna describe it as a shape, sharp. Can you smell it again?
Sharp?
Yeah, pag inamoy ko siya, alam mo, sweet, pero ganon. Kaya nga hindi ko mag-get. Wait, this is
I think
4?
You said 4.
Yeah, 4, 5, or 6. This was an 8. This is a 12, 11. I think I'll move this down to 9. I'll move this to 8. Ito yung 9.
Okay.
Okay. What is this, kuya?
Roca Man.
Ano to? Ngipin ng shark?
No, more like yung old like headlights.
Heh?
Yung like the
Like this?
1950s car, yeah.
Why?
Roca is just
Roca?
yeah.
Roca Man. So how do I open this?
Pull it.
Okay?
Yeah. just
Oh
like
wow.
that.
Oh yeah. So tama yung ginawa ko. Pero shark. How long have you had this?
2020.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, EDT.
I could see my man wearing this though.
So
I like it.
EDP, 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 EDT, EDP, EDP.
This is the T.
EDT. Yeah,
And this also T?
yeah,
Can I spray it?
yeah. Backline's all T, so itong tatlo.
This
And
one?
the other
Serjoff?
Zerjoff, yeah.
Zerjoff.
My Naxos EDP.
Oh! Anong dry down nito, kuya?
Permanent, so I guess more sweet.
Ang dry down niya, sweet? Coming from this? Are you
Yeah.
sure?
It's supposed to be.
Ang cute naman ng cover na luggage. Is this your mom's?
No, that's for.
Oh, hindi mo binigay.
I haven't seen her yet, so.
Wait, the whole luggage? Or
Yeah, the whole luggage.
filled with what?
I think there's a pink towel there because it's a pink bag inside.
Oh my god. Yan na lang i-rate ko, guys. Bye-bye. Wait, I'm so confused.
I did for a few years.
Kuya, ang ganda ng place. Oh, I can't. Ang ganda. Kuya, kung magla-live ako, tapos yung kinikita ni, what's her name? One night, ganon, titira ako sa ganito, kuya. Magla-live ako everyday. Wait, smell mo.
Yeah, it's strong chocolate.
Sumusunod yung ulo ni kuya. Ginaganyan ko yung ulo ni I'll give this a 7. Sabi ko, I can see my man wearing this, but 50-50. Okay. How do I... Ito na yan?
Yeah,
So how do you lock it?
you don't. You just spray.
So it came out of the box like this?
Yeah.
Ew, kuya, it's nasty.
Yeah, it's been in the luggage for a while.
Saan? Dumiretso sa ilong ko. Ang sakit na ulo ko, kuya. No. No. 12, 11. Ang bilis ko mag-decide. 12, 11, 9, 10. What's
Angel Man Pure Malt by Terry Mugler.
Wow, favorite mo ba siya? And this looks old. Worn and old.
Yeah, it's discontinued.
Oh, wow. Prized
So-
possessions. Oh, wait. Ito ba siya?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ay, kita ko siya pag may boyfriend. Wait, discontinued ba to?
Hindi.
Bilhin mo
Cheaper din ito, mga 30.
Ayoko na, iba-iba na yung... Kasama ko pa din siya mamaya, iba-iba yung amoy niya. Paano po? Ew, lasang alak. Ayoko 12.
It's called malt, so yeah.
Oh, wait. Actually, OA yun. Oh, wait. But I like this one. Guys.
Split.
Yeah. Huwag sa kamay ko, kuya. Aawain kita. This is a 4, 5.
7.
I'll put you on 6. I'll put this on 7, actually. That's pretty high. This is $1 million Paco Rabanne. Guys,
Yeah.
pag pupunta kayo dito sa condo ni Kuya, dahan-dahan lang kayo. Huwag kayo papahalata. Pero, bango-bango. Kuya, ay, wait. Wait, shut the frick up.
It's very strong. Kahit EDT lang.
Parang grab. 8, 7, 6, 5. Oh, this was 6.
Yeah, you didn't have 1, 2, 3, so. You
1, 2, 3.
super soft. It used to be
But I
strong.
like this more than this, so probably this. Ta-ta-ta-ta. So nice. What the heck? Zerja. It's like the one that covers your bracelets from Cartier.
Yeah. They're just bestseller.
What the frick? Ano ba to? Yung parang Arabian? No.
No,
What's
Italian.
this? Italian?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Mukha siyang pagmamayari ng isang bishop. Ano to?
Honey, vanilla, tobacco.
Oh wait, it smells like a dad's scent na mayaman. I love it! Allah!
Yeah?
Yeah!
Yeah.
One!
That's what I wore on Wednesday.
Ang bango, kuya! Okay, 1, yung Xerjoff. 2,
Berlan.
3.
Roca.
This was 4, right?
It was either 4 or this one.
Okay, this was 4.
Ombre
It's
leather.
a safe. Yeah, it's a safe set.
Yeah.
4, 5, 6. Apart from the Marley, 7, 8, 9. Surprising, pero ito kasi ay worse. 10,
And you don't like pine cones or cherries?
11. Cherries, ayoko pala. 12.
Yeah.
Alam nyo na, maselan ako sa mga amoy. Kahit nililabel nyo na fuckboy scent ang Versace Eros, I still like that scent. Ayoko ng, wait, what is that? Chanel? Bleu de Chanel?
Oh, Bleu de Chanel.
Bleu
Yeah.
de Chanel and the Sauvage. I don't like those.
No, you should for
Bango. Tapon na natin yung iba. Where's the trash? Wait, I want this. Ala, winner!
the buzzer just knocks up. So,
Sakit na ulo.
according to Reddit, everyone
That's
was
my review so far. Wow, 30 minutes.
Let me.
Good night. Ayaw mo na talaga bumili ng air fryer.
Yeah, next time na lang.
Okay.
Akyat.
Ah, sige. For what?
Going back to Glorieta.
I'd buy you air fryer?
Oh, I was just gonna exit because that exit's just road.
Oh yeah.
So, yeah,
Are you 2.5?
of course.
Uy! Ito ako para malaki. Nandito po tayo. At ng City, Makati kung saan walas lang mag-exchange run ng some tickets for my Kesha concert. So, one of my missions today, pero
Only one?
yeah.
Papaya?
Oh, we're don't remind me. Hindi ko nabili yung papaya. Kasi hapa ng tea.
Yes.
And you can see how sleepy I am.
Yeah, even back in the car.
This is so awful. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is my credit card.
Credit card. Walang pera.
Kaya nga credit card eh.
Guys, huwag kayo maniwala kay Chi. Siya yung nagbayad para sa akin lahat. Yung condo ko rin, siya yun.
Wow.
1 year advance.
Yun yung hindi ka panipaniwala.
It's our side.
Madumi ang aking space, but good morning today. It's 8:29 and my boss and the team are picking me up. They'll be coming from QC and we have an agenda in Cavite today. We are shooting for our client. Yeah, we'll be shooting at least a month worth of content for them. And I'm sick. Yesterday, my boss and I were scheduled to co-work in QC, but I had to let her know that I caught the flu and I'm recovering, which would mean that there's a higher chance for her to also get my flu when we meet up. So, she made the decision. Ang bago ko magsalita, most probably this vlog will be edited and sped up from being 100% to another 50%. But yeah, it's 8 a.m. I am a morning person. My body clock wakes up at 6 and usually I do my chores, I clean, but you know, I'm on my period. I'm still feeling lethargic. Bro, it's not good. I don't know what happened, like how I got the flu, but I somehow just did. I haven't been posting vlogs, I haven't been editing. It's because I'm feeling lethargic. I've been feeling sad. Wait, let me try my best and I can't see. But yeah, we'll see if I could vlog today, this day, while we're doing content shoot, as my boss allowed, or I might just get snippets of like what goes on in my day to day. And my battery is low bat.
pants ka sana. Mainit. Mama and her first xiaolongbao. Mapatu.
Moonlight paints